better feel that way.
You want me to come down there? You'll be fine. But if you need me, I'll be there. That's just to say I've been that. Everyone knows. But if you want me down there, let me know.
Let's see how it goes.
It's gonna go great then.
I think that first one was just good.
Oh, it's fine. We got this.
That's why you're there. Yeah, hold it, Pete. Hey, Jeff.
I got
Jeff, no, run around, grab my orange rope, and pull it tight. That'll get it off the tree.
There you go.
Pull, John. We're gonna have to lower it up top. We're already too low. Don't try to push it over, Jeff. Okay, now you can. Hold it, Pete. Down, pull. Hold it, Pete. Alright, now lower it.
Let them next ones make that thing
Can
swing.
you come down those steps over yonder and get that?
Sure.
What's that?
Goes that way. Steps.
I mean, you can. You have to go this way.
You gotta go all the way around.
Duck as you go through. But that next branch up there makes your swing.
Uh-huh. I'm gonna go up and take small pieces. Look how this tree's reading, being able to snap limbs this big around. I want to take smaller chunks.
Yeah. I'll say, because that one there made you sway quite a bit.
Yeah, it did. I was watching the whole thing move.
Okay.
I was watching that whole tree just do that. I thought, uh-oh, let's hope it don't snap while he's up there.
Well, I better knock on some wood after saying that.
What about wood?
Pretty good about reading the tree. I thought it was gonna do that.
The whole tree was doing the walking on that one.
Yeah. It was a good sized limb for what it is.
Yeah.
Well, see what happens when ash trees are procrastinated on.
The neighbor's house?
Yeah. Right there at Cherokee and HH is hanging right through the car.
I'm really glad I didn't go up the one over at the neighbor's house. Okay. Three houses
Memo to you
down.
and me. In the future, let's tie ropes to those ash trees before.
I ain't worried about it. Hey, babe.
Hey, Jeff, look out. Got it. Forward head.
Go ahead, pull well, John.
Nice job. Sweet pig. Now if we can do that with the rest of them, maybe we'll rock and roll so myself there.
Yeah. At some point he'll have to take it because
Yeah.
you ain't gonna want to climb up there.
Oh, he will.
I'll get right up to the Y.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, he'll get all the way up
I'm gonna
there.
leave some steps for me to stand on right here,
Yeah.
and at that point, that's head level.
Ugh.
Yeah.
I worry
Scary.
for him.
Scary.
I worry for him.
One thing I don't really have is fear of heights.
Well, I don't either, but
It's all about that landing.
yeah. Ugh.
This ain't for the trailer.
Okay. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
So working in Kansas City, I was doing lineman business at the time, and then occasionally I'd help out one of my tree trimming buddies. He was one of the craziest climbers I ever seen. He went up this dead tree, about 55 feet up, had his anchor up above him, and as he was going up, the the base of the tree cracked.
Oh,
shit. Hell
And
no.
it started going over. He bails off of this tree, and we're in the backyard, customer's house. The tree's falling straight towards the neighbor's fence and was gonna crush their shed. He jumps off the back of the tree, swings underneath it as it's going over, and using his line that's up in it, swung underneath it as he was lowering himself down, all in the same motion, and it carried the tree perfectly into the corner of the yard to miss both edges of the fences.
Wow.
And he hits the ground walking, takes a couple steps, and the tree falls right behind him.
wow.
He pulls out a pack of cigarettes, lights one up, and turns right back around and goes up the other side of the dead tree.
Oh, Jesus. That's crazy.
Dooley was a crazy motherfucker, to say the least.
Julie, huh?
Yeah. Right now, he's doing highline clearing, making a couple million a year.
Really?
Yep.
Mother? Mother! Your lunch is ready.
Right, Pete?
She's saying I just got off the hill.
Yeah.
Not quite. Give it a little pull, John. Pete. Yeah, he will. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, how you doing?
Doing decent.
Doing good, looks good.
Thank you.
Dinner.
Yup. Looks good. Looks good. I'm gonna go say hi to John. Jonathan.
Hi, Pete.
Good.
Getting her done, huh?
Yes, sir, buddy.
There you go.
Hey, look.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, had to go.
Yeah?
Yeah. Good.
That's the way to do it, ain't it?
Oh, it's the only way, right? Can't do it yourself.
No.
You couldn't do it, John.
No, well, I mean, I could. I would just go rent one of those machines,
All right.
stand in a bucket, lift my butt up there,
And lock them down.
take it from the top down.
Lock them down one by one.
Yeah.
At least it's an easy burn, right, for them?
Yeah.
Right there into the pile.
For me.
Well, for them, it should be a little cheaper, right?
Yeah.
What are they getting it?
More for us.
That's fair.
That's the thing. We had a worked out price with them, and that's what they expected.
How's the banana plant doing?
They're doing good.
Good.
Heads up. Branch snap.
Snapper.
He cut off that limb that's behind him that's sticking up there. This one that's about yay tall on here behind him.
Uh-huh.
He cut that one off and a whole tree went to swing.
That was late.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, I got nervous for him. I'm gonna do that one next.
The whole thing.
Yeah, but they're gonna have to get a crane for it. Take it out branch by branch.
I'll take,
Huh?
I was gonna say, I'll take some firewood, but we're just gonna burn it, right?
Yeah.
That's a beast too, yeah. I got one more beast outside my house. This house Nancy's, and it's a line that goes right down the middle of the tree. What do you do with that? It's both yours, right? So, I'm not gonna worry about it. I did enough cutting. That's why I bought that expensive chainsaw.
Yeah.
Is because I cleared that lot there.
Yeah.
Which is beautiful down there, isn't it? Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Somewhere to put my stuff.
Yeah. I seen you the other day with honk at you.
Oh, where was I?
You was up there burning leaves.
Oh yeah, okay.
And then Terry come around burning leaves in the ditches yesterday.
Yes,
The day before.
with John.
Yeah.
John Raymond, you ready?
Yeah.
Hey, hey, there he is, Phyllis.
I'm right here.
What are you doing? Eating?
Yeah.
All right, good. Just want to say hi.
Okay.
See you later.
Well,
See him there?
watch when you go out there. Make sure you ain't got.
Yeah.
We doing the shebang? We doing the shebang?
Yeah.
Looks like it. The whole shebang.
What? No.
We're doing the whole shebang.
No, I'm taking off this one.
That's the shebang.
Oh. No shebangs with this tree.
Oh damn epic shebang.
No, what are you doing? Oh no, okay.
Watch him work and eat in front of him.
Well, that's no problem.
Yeah. We just got done having that discussion.
You can wait for a second, John. I'm gonna get this little guy out of the way.
Ah.
He got another job to go to today.
I'm not sure. I only get phone calls first thing in the
Instantly
morning.
into
Oh, yeah?
It's at the job site, so that's where I meet him.
Right?
I just live over there.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, Village Marina.
Oh, really?
Village Marina Road.
Yeah.
Friday, staying with my daughter.
Hey.
After I
I've
got-
taken my boat out over there a couple times.
After I got college cancer, the ex kicked me out. She wanted a paycheck.
Uh-oh.
So I moved in with my daughter. And then my ex sells the house, moved to Arizona.
Hey, Jeff, grab that rope.
Thanks a
Which
fucking
one?
lot.
Blue.
Yeah?
That one?
Yeah.
He was out in Rocky Mountain.
We had a house over in Rocky
Alright,
Mountain.
or where you want me?
Just hold it right there for now.
Alright.
Who's that?
You want me on that rope?
Tell him that chainsaw's quicker.
Makes his muscles
See you later.
Makes his muscles bigger when he does that. Handsaw.
Alright, John, give it a little pull. Alright, Jeff, I got the rope.
What's that? In there? Yeah. Opened it up so I could pass it around. I wanted to get everything out of that way.
Hey,
over there,
John.
you know?